If you have a poor credit score as a result of an error in your credit report, it may affect loans or credit you apply for. The good news is that you have a right to get errors fixed for free, and you can do this yourself. There are two main types of errors you can get fixed for free. Those made by the credit reporting agency, this is the organisation that generates your credit report, and those made by the credit provider, the business you've bought or borrowed from. The credit reporting agency may have made a mistake like your name, date of birth, or have an old address, listing a debt twice, or entering an incorrect debt amount. To fix this kind of error, just contact the credit reporting agency. They may be able to fix it straight away or help you get it changed. A credit provider may have reported information wrongly. Examples might include debts that aren't actually overdue, unpaid debts they didn't tell you about, a debt that you're in dispute about, or debts recorded as a result of identity theft. To fix this type of error, contact the credit provider and ask them to remove it from your credit report. Importantly, you can't change or remove any information on your credit report that is correct, even if it's negative information. You might see ads from credit repair companies offering to fix errors on your credit report. These services may be expensive, but the only thing they can ask the credit reporting agency to remove are things you can do yourself for free. Contact these two agencies for your free credit report. It should be online in a day or two, or in 10 days if by mail or email. Remember, fixing errors is totally possible, and you don't have to pay for it. Take control today and give your credit report a fresh start. For more Moneysmart tips, visit moneysmart.gov.au.